Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts. Today I'm at my storage unit loading up some toy bundles and load them up on a skid and then load them all into the truck. I didn't bring my extra light for the storage unit, so it's rather dark inside here and you can't really tell what's going on. But there's a massive amount of toy bundles in this unit, and then I also have toy bundles in this unit. So let me get started with loading up my toy bundles. I'm going to pause this for a minute as I load the toy bundles. Okay, so this is my truck. It is a 20-foot truck, plenty of space, so if the weather gets really bad, I can sell from inside. If the weather gets really bad, I can sell from inside the truck. I don't know why, but they have a dolly in here. I didn't, do a dolly, but hey, it'll be there. But let me get started loading this truck up. Okay, so I'm finally finished loading this truck. Just want to give you a brief preview. This is one of the smaller toy bundles that I made. Well, sort of a small gift. And let me just jump inside here. Okay, so I have the Minnie Mouse ride-on with the Minnie Mouse stuffed doll, and it's the activity plane, and it comes with an inflatable ball pit. And I also have the Mickey Mouse. And I'm gonna find something else to go with that Mickey Mouse, because right now it's just Mickey Mouse and the ride-on plane. Then I have a Paw Patrol ride-on. It's a Paw Patrol ride-on plane. I have a small Paw Patrol. And then I also have the Sky Paw Patrol activity plane. And then we have the CoComelon train, ride-on train. It comes with the CoComelon doll, and it comes with the CoComelon farm set. And it's a train that they can actually ride on. And I have two of those. And then I have the Minnie Mouse Happy Helpers sidecar scooter. And we have 3 of those. And I have the Minnie Mouse dolls to go with them, the stuffed animal Minnie Mouses. And then we have the Bluey ride-ons. I only have 2 left of the Bluey ride-ons. And then I have the large Bluey. And there's a large Bluey sitting in a Bluey chair. I have a Spider-Man ride-on. It's kind of dark inside this truck. And then these are the toy bundles. There's another CoComelon ride-on toy bundle. This one is a CoComelon tractor. Somehow part of my video got deleted, where I was showing you how I packed my truck for the street selling for tomorrow. So I thought I'd just show you the peppermint small grab and goes that I created. They have a box of peppermints, a Santa Claus mug, and they have the wafer rolls, they have the cocoa bombs, peppermint spoons, and there's a pot holder. This one has the winter candy apple lotion, peppermint swirl lotion, and vanilla frosting lotion, along with the wafer rolls, the peppermint spoons. All right, so tomorrow I will be out street selling, and the weather is pretty cold out, but hey, it's usually pretty busy. This is my second year selling the Christmas toy bundles, and hopefully I have just as good a season as I did last year. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to do a live. It's gonna depend on the weather. If it's windy, I probably won't do a live, but we'll see. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.